have to say, if it wasn't for the snow on that hike, I would have totally kept going. Like, I'm used to hiking and climbing mountains ill-prepared. So I would have kept going, but I'm not, I know my limits, and snow is my limit. I have not grown up in snow. I've been in snow. I could probably count maybe 15 times I've been in actual snow. And I was not aware how deep the snow was. So like, I stopped because of the snow. In Idaho, there was no snow until the very, very top 10,000 feet up. And also it was at the end of summer. And so there was no snow. This is like the beginning of summer, so there's still a lot of snow. But if it wasn't for the snow, 100% I would have kept going. Wow. Dun, 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 the mountains. God, I'm so glad it's a nice drive back and not raining. That really sucked on the way there, but I've got a beautiful drive back now. Very happy about this. Okay, I passed a mining, an abandoned mining view going down, and I wanted to come back to take a look. So I'm quickly going down to check it out. Whoa, there it is. My gosh, I made it. Wow. Look at that. I didn't make it to the mountain mine, but I made it to a totally different one. Oh my God. Wow. This is insane. Wow. What's this? Look for silver linings, be kind. Totally worth it, quick little stop. Oh, hiking is just so much harder here. That was amazing. I have one more place I wanted to stop. We'll see if I have time. But I'm so glad I saw my mine. My abandoned mine. Oh, I'm so thirsty. Okay, I gotta keep going. I guess I was finally able to see some water. Got some photos. I'm on 2% battery, so it's actually like 7 o'clock too. I've still got like an hour drive, 45 minutes, so I kind of gotta go. Hello. Have a good night. Bye. Wow. You like to chew the wood? Well, good morning everyone. It's my last day in Colorado, apart from my 7-hour drive back tomorrow morning. And I'm gonna go back to some forest areas that I marked on my map that I really want to go to. There should be some water that I can swim in, and I'm super excited. It's so far looking like a beautiful day. I hope it stays that way. If not, then, you know, it'll be shitty and then it'll change 20 minutes later. So let's go. Yay, last day in Colorado. Okay, the place I want to go to, I could actually drive most of the way there, so I'm just gonna hike over to the top of the mountain. All right, another day, another hike. Actually could drive, well, I changed hikes twice because this was the original plan, and then I stopped on some others in case they were better, but they were not. So I'm just gonna go up this way. I don't think it's as high here. 10,000 feet up instead of close to 12. Car back there. So it's really not bad. I just want to check out this little hut in the middle of nowhere. Look at this. Carpet in here. Whoa. I wonder what this was used for. Snowing again. This is my life right now, so I'm good with it. I guess I better go because the snow is coming. It's really not that cold, like once you just acclimate yourself to the temperature, but snow does make everything wet, which is kind of annoying. So I'm gonna have to just go sit in the car. There's other places I want to go to. At this point, I've been in so much snow, I don't even care anymore. Currently snowing on my head right now. Couldn't even tell you what's the temperature. 45. Not that cold. It's like 45 maybe. But yeah, you could see there's snow coming down on my jacket still. But it's really not that cold. It's like not something uncomfortable. Also, I'm used to it because I've already been out for like an hour. Thankfully the car's right here, so I can go back and go to another place. Right, that was a beautiful area. So happy I made it, but as you can see, it's raining, so I'm gonna head back to Silverton. Whoops, I don't have my seatbelt on. And do some work, and then hopefully the weather will be good again. It is like full on snowing in Silverton. Look at this. I have to walk back to my car and I don't really feel like it. Gosh, I'm so glad that I left the mountain when I did, because it is like for real snowing. Like that's not rain, it's snow. Jesus Christ. I need to go back because it's just useless to be here. Look at all the snow on that guy's car. Oh well. Well, good thing I left the mountain before the actual snowstorm, because this is like serious snow. Look at the snow on me. Oh my God. Snow/hail. But the weird thing is that it's not really that cold. It's just kind of, whoa. So like, doesn't make sense that it's snowing. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to go back because I've got work to do, and that work does not entail hanging out in a restaurant because it's snowing. So it's easier if I just go back to Durango. Which is kind of annoying because I had more areas I wanted to explore, but I'm just hoping that once I get over the main mountain pass, then suddenly it'll be bright and cheery and wonderful again. So that's a nice stop in Silverton again, but I'm going to try to head back again. This is not rain, ladies and gentlemen. This is a full-on snowstorm in the mountains, as you can see with the ice on the road. Okay, should I stay or should I attempt to drive over the mountain pass? Wow, look at the snow on the car. God, it's like really coming down with snow. What? Oh my God, I do not want to be trapped in this town. I need to go back. What the fuck? How is it full on snowing in June? Oh my God. Why? It's like sleet snow too. Okay, I'm gonna drive back through this fucking sleet snow up the mountain and probably won't film everything because I'm not well versed in driving in snow plus mountain roads. So I'm definitely gonna have to focus, so see you on the other side. Okay, I just have to show like the actual mountain road full of fucking snow. What the hell? I mean, I can enjoy the nice weather that I've had, but wow, okay. No more filming for real now because this is getting serious. I may not have made the right decision to drive because I am really in a snowstorm right now. It's not great. Now there's lightning. Wow, okay, well, oh my God, it's a full storm. All right, gotta keep going because I had to figure out the defroster in this car. I didn't know where it was. Kind of in the thick of it right now. Oh, no point complaining, might as well enjoy it. Most of the storm part is over, so I'm gonna turn around on this extremely icy road and go back. Okay. Just walked around in the snow, took a little bath in the snow. Now I'm gonna head back to the car before I die again from the snow. Still driving in the snow. Down as slow as I possibly can. Uh-oh. What is that? Oh, I hope I'm not going to drive through another storm. I'm kind of over it. Oh my gosh, I made it off the snowy mountain and it hasn't even snowed down here. It's definitely rained, but yet another adventure. I got some great snow photos though, so I'm excited to share those with people. Yeah, okay, well I'm back earlier, way earlier than expected, but I have some work to do which I couldn't do in the snow, so I have to finish it here. Well, off I am again. I have a long, probably 6.5 hour drive. I've already been driving for 20 minutes, back to Denver to get on my plane back to Austin. I should have just flown out of Durango Airport, but I didn't really plan it that well. Well, I kind of had to return this car to Denver too, so I guess that wouldn't have worked. I don't know if I'll be doing any cool stops. I might just go straight there and get on the plane. So in case this is it, I hope you guys enjoyed my
Colorado Adventure series, and stay tuned for my next adventure. Bye.